I'm going to change the O lights again, and then I'll begin this segment. Are you actually recording? Blooper. Let's turn this off. You are recording.